how to fix YouTube dark mode not working on your PC. So in order to fix YouTube dark mode not working on your PC, first of all, what we need to do is we need to activate dark theme on Windows browser and your YouTube. So in order to do that, first of all, go to your settings and then go to personalization right here. After you do that, go to colors and make sure to choose your mode as dark, not custom, not light, choose it as dark. So this way your Windows is activated to your dark theme, and after that, go to the browser that you're using. I'm using Google Chrome, so I'm going to Google Chrome right here. Then go to the three dot icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now go to settings, go to customize your Google profile and make sure to pick the theme color as black, this one. And now after setting your browser theme color to dark, go to your YouTube, go to your account right here, click on appearance and select the dark theme. And now after you have done that, this was one of the options. The next option to try out is to clear out the YouTube's PEF cookie. So in order to clear the YouTube's PEF cookie, first of all, what you need to do is go to the home page of the Chrome right here and go to the three dot icon at the top right corner of the screen, go to more tools and go to developer tools. And after you're done with it, click on this arrow right here as shown on the screen and go to application. Go to the cookies section right here, scroll down and search for PREF. I don't have the PEF cookie right here in my list, but after you find out the PEF cookie, right click on it and make sure to click on delete and make sure that you delete your PREF cookie. So if these two options work out, then that's fine, or else what you can do is also install an extension to improve your YouTube. So in the search bar of the Google Chrome, search for improve YouTube extension, and this is the extension right here that I'm talking about. Make sure to add to Chrome, click on add extension, and then this extension will be added to your Chrome. And what you can do is go to YouTube, and after that click on extensions right here and click on improve YouTube, and after that you can click on themes and select the theme as dark. So these were some of the options you can try out in order to fix your YouTube dark mode not working on your PC. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.